How to use birthday templates in CapCut. So first you want to open up your project, and then you want to go to the templates tab from the top menu right here. Now all you need to do is search for birthday. You can search for birthday edit, birthday girl, or whatever you want with the birthday templates. Now you can basically scroll and pick whatever template you find good or works best for you. For example, this one right here. Click on the download icon or click on it to start downloading. And then all you need to do is click again to add it to your timeline. And to use this, you'll simply need to click here to replace one clip. So for example, this one, click on the replace button and pick your clip. And then you can adjust whatever you like, the music and other effects if you want to. Now, if you play your video, you should see that it's using the birthday template and playing your clip as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.